Imagine yourself in this Kia 2021 Seltos SX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 175 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.